Hi everyone, welcome to this presentation where we're looking at the hand hacksaw presented to you by yours truly, Carl Daly. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to state the use of the hand hacksaw, identify the parts of the hand hacksaw, state precautions in the use of the hand hacksaw, and list the steps for cutting a piece of material with the hand hacksaw. The hand hacksaw is used for cutting metals, plastic, wood, and many other materials. It consists of a replaceable blade held in tension in an adjustable frame. The frame may be adjustable to take blades of different length. The frame may be made of rectangular section steel or tube. The handle may be of pistol grip type or straight like that of a file handle. The wing nut is used for adjusting the blade. Let's look at the parts of the hand hacksaw. The frame. This section, which is made from tubular steel, is called the frame. Right here we have the frame adjustment. Here we have the handle. We have a stud here and a stud there. This entire strip is the blade of the hacksaw. And we also have the wing nut. Let's look at the blade. Hacksaw blades are made of either cast steel, carbon steel, or high-speed steel. The teeth have a set to either side alternately, which cause the blade to cut a slit wider than the thickness of the blade to prevent jamming. The length of the blade. The length of the blade may be either 203 millimeters, 254 millimeters, or 304 millimeters long. The pitch. The pitch is referred to the number of teeth per 25 millimeters. This may be 14, 18, 24, or 32 teeth per 25 millimeter. The type of blade. Blade may be a hard blade or a flexible blade. Material may be cast or high-speed steel. Let's look at some precautions for the hacksaw. Always choose a blade of the right type and length. Always secure the work rigidly before cutting. That is in a vise, a clamp, or even on your legs. Fit the blade with teeth pointing away from the handle. Tension the blade properly. You need to take out the slack on the wing nut by turning clockwise, and then after you've taken out the slack, you apply 3 full turns. When you're cutting with a hacksaw, whenever it's possible, try to cut in a vertical position. Always mark and measure the position to be cut. Secure your work rigidly. Take up a proper stance. Alright, so you need to stand properly when cutting with the hand hacksaw. You can see this diagram right here. Alright, if you're a right-hander, you have your left foot in front and your right foot back. Let's continue. Use your thumb to guide the blade when starting the cut. Push the hacksaw to the full length of the blade when starting the cut. 60 strokes per minute is a recommended speed that you should go. Always remember to slow down when finishing. Okay, let's look at how we can hold the work. Holding the hacksaw rather. All right. If you're in a workshop, the correct way to hold it is using both hands, your index finger out like this, and the other hand to hold the end of the frame to make sure you're guided properly. If you're using your knees, you secure it on your knee and you use one hand to push it back and forth. You can use a table, all right? The table as your guide, you pivot it, and then you cut it. This diagram is showing you an enlargement of what the teeth looks like and the direction in which the teeth point when fitting the blade. Okay, we're almost at the end, so we're going to test your knowledge. We're just going to ask you one question now. Okay, complete the following statement. Fit the blade with teeth pointing. Is it A, toward the handle, B, away from the handle, or C, in any direction? Put your answer in the comment section and let me know if you learned anything. And finally, let's look at the parts of that. I want to see if you remember the parts of the hacksaw. I paused for a few seconds so that you could try to remember the parts of the hacksaw. What have you got? Okay, let's review the parts of the hacksaw now. So we have the frame adjustment right here. It's a little knob right there. We have the handle, two studs, the blade, the wing nut, and the frame. I hope you all enjoy this presentation. Please remember to subscribe if you have not, like, share, and comment. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye.